today with my fidget toys. Okay, and just pick some. And whoa! What the freak? Stop everything out. It's for my fidgets, not for my things. My fidget board is here. Wait for the fidget board here. Now I have all my fidgets. What the freak? Come on. So, what's your favorite squishy? Comment below. This squishy looks so squishy. I just have paper squishy, so I'll make more. Why is this doing here? Meow. Let's make more squishies. I'll find packaging, but I don't like the drawer right now, I'll find something too. I'll find something to do. I'm not making paper squishy right now. We're gonna make which something. Maybe I'll eat this first. See you later, guys. We got this. We're done finishing our room. Come on. Next, let's get some fluff from this teddy bear. Sorry, I have to stop you. Help me! Maybe this is enough foam. Looks like comic candy. Wait, guys. Hello. I'm back to see which put the fluff. Sorry, bear. You hear the ring, guys? When I hit 1 million subscribers, when I hit 1,000 subscribers, I will gonna hide my face for 24 hours. I mean, not 24 hours. When I hit 10 million. Maybe this is enough. Oh yeah, it's not enough. We need more stuffing. You can use other things. Paper, your crunching add-ins. Just not snacks. What snacks inside? Your own snacks. Or there will be ants. Wait, this is perfect. We got it. Now I'll get scissors. I'll be back. Got it. I'll cut your teeth. I'll get some my tape. Got it. Let's get some tape. What, Sigma gonna do this? I'll get another one. You know I have 2 tapes? Yeah. Oh my Sigma, this is so big. Nah. See ya. I said see ya. Come on. Let's get some tape. You know I hate putting tapes. It's squishies. When you're my classmate, like and subscribe. When you're my classmate, listen to this. When you don't, not my classmates, do not listen to this. Okay, you know guitar, everyone? You don't know guitar as my cousin. A second time, second warning. What? See, it's too hard, so when you're little guys, ask help from your mom. I'm not a little girl anymore. Sometimes I cry. Oh man. I need another one because, you know, guys, I need more. No. Got this. This time I'll use a scissor. How do you go? Oops. But it's not more safe. My aunt's not eating. I know. No. Here. I'll give them chance of the ants. I hope you don't eat this, so I'll be back. Got it? So it's with love. Don't have it. You know that, everyone. This look like clouds. Oh my god. It's starting to fluff. Starting. There we go. We made it. Oh, like it's squishy, everyone. Now let's make another one. Come on. What squish we gonna make? What squish we gonna make? I know, water slime. Scarable. Scarable. Maybe this is gonna be a ball. First, I keep on saying that everywhere, so let's do it. The first ingredient was put some water. So since it's raining, so let's get some. We have to catch this drip of water. Don't like this job. Let's do it. Whoa, 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 whoa. Nah. Since it's raining a little bit, let's just wear a jacket. As I don't have any makeup. Oh. Let's go in my room. Boop. Back to our squishy. So give a jacket. Wait, it'll be back. I'm done, guys. Come on. I color my jacket and boom. Come on. Wow, I live in the Philippines. I never make a video when there's a small snow because I live in the Philippines, bro. How many times do? Why I always have weird comments? Bro, I forgot my bowl. The cat always there because he would never go there. Come on. Let's scoop out. What's a little? Nah, whoa. Look like a beach or water. I mean pool. Huh. Ooh, many water. This is a rain drink. Wow. So many water. Looks like a waterfall. Let's get some water. Let's just do it out here. Next, I'll get my shampoo and my soap. I said to get hand soap. You sing it is. And my clear glue. Here's the shampoo. Ooh. The click slime. Okay, wait. Are you still here, guys? Oh no, it's dripping. I'm back. And come on. Oh yeah, I forgot my clear glue. Got you, my dear. And come on. You're back. Well, it looks like a snowy day. My dream is a snowy day. No, I don't have anything to stand, but I still had is this bucket. Hi. First, let's put some sham. Oh my God. You love me, guys. Yeah. So it's empty, so see you later. Next, we will need hands. So I'll be back. Years later. I'm back, guys. Let's put two bumps there. I'll be back. I mean, we're just making the most clear slime in the world. Yeah, so let's add our glue. Wait, it's milk. It's a joke. So mix it up until the white parts are gone. Use any shampoo you want. It's your own meditation. We need to slow it up. Guys, let's leave it out. It said let's leave it outside for 200 billion years. Let's put it. I mean, it said leave it in the basement for 200 years. I hope you're not. And close the door. See you. Come on. There's like more. What's this? Sigma. When I hit 2 million subscribers, I'm gonna chop it there. Oh, even there. Joker. Ooh, it looks like a waterfall here. It's raining and pouring. Whoa! Ooh, I'll stab my teddy bear fully with a knife. Come on. Whoa. You know this is for everyone and don't mind it. Don't let me loose. Now we arrive Let's make more fidgets. But I don't know. Okay, let's make a jello. I don't know what is this. I keep on seeing that. So it's like, oh, this is perfect. For the ingredient, let's eat it first. Jello. Oh no, I dropped some jello. Oh. Well, I'm still wearing jackets. Wait, so wait, we'll make a fidget out of this. Sorry. See you later. I'll take off my jacket. I'll kiss your butt cheeks when you don't subscribe me. Oh my god, the sample's dripping. Come on. Ah! Look at the snakes. Ew. You know what's this? In 3, 2, 1. Voila! We have our own puppet. I'll make more in 3, 2, 1. Whee!